Hey guys, this is Miss B here to show you how we are going to graph exponential functions on our calculator. Okay, so before I get this, I'm gonna go home, go clear. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how we get here. So I'm gonna do y equals, that gives me my plot. Okay, this problem is an example from lesson 13.3 with the base e. You can tell that because I have an e here. Okay, so I'm going to try and find the point of intersection. All right, so I'm going to use this as my y1, so 8, 7, 8, go to e. Okay, so my e is right here. Okay, so I did e, 0.121 x. Okay, and then my y is going to be 3,000. Now before I hit graph, I need to make sure that my window is okay, so I'm going to go to my window, because watch, I'll show you what happens. So you can't see my graph. So that's not really that helpful, right? We can't find our point of intersection if we don't see our graph. So I'm going to go back to my window. My x max is fine, but my y needs to be greater than 3,000, okay? So I'm going to make it at about 4,000. Hit graph. Okay. I have my line where it's going to meet, and then I'm going to go to trace, okay? But before I need to go second to calc, okay? I'm going to go down to intersect. Okay, then I'm going to hit enter, so guess, and then hit enter again, and that gives me 10.15 and y equals 3,000, but really this is what we want. So x is 10.15 or 10.2. Okay, so this is how we do the calculations on our calculator to find the point of intersection. Okay, so you just really need to make sure, I'll go and do this again so that you can see. So I'm going to go to my y. I entered my y point. Okay, it did me 3,000. I made sure my window was good. Then I hit graph. Okay, now I'm going to hit trace. Now if I just hit regular trace, it's because it's already here that I did my guess. Okay, so it gives me 10.21. But again, if you want to do it, you need a second calc. Go down to intersect. Okay, first curve, no. Second curve, no. Hit guess and then hit enter, and that gives you 10.15. Okay, so that's what we really need to do, is you need to make sure that you go to second, to calc, okay, and then hit intersection, and then hit enter 3 times, okay? So that is how you do this. And I will make sure that if you guys have any questions, make sure to text me on Google Voice, or you can message me on the Remind app, or send me an email. All right, I will be posting this shortly, and if you have any questions, make sure to reach out to me.